Which Silicon Valley unicorns made headlines this month? Let's take a look at the key funding moves. Sector performance varied, with real estate, healthcare, and fintech leading the gains, highlighting strong momentum in property, health, and financial markets. Artificial intelligence dominated funding, attracting over $6 billion, nearly 77% of all capital raised by Silicon Valley unicorns. Let's take a closer look at the key developments. Figma raised $1.2 billion in its IPO, with shares debuting at $33 and valuing the company at $19.3 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Dylan Field, Figma provides browser-based collaborative design tools that enable real-time teamwork, redefining how digital products are created and launched. xAI raised $10 billion, $5 billion in debt, and $5 billion in equity to accelerate its AI efforts. Led by Morgan Stanley, the debt round drew major institutional investors. Founded by Elon Musk and others, xAI is building the Grok chatbot in a Memphis AI supercomputer, with funding set to support data centers, model training, and safe AI development. Perplexity raised $100 million in new funding, boosting its valuation to $18 billion. The round included SoftBank's Vision Fund 2, Nvidia, NEA, IVP, Jeff Bezos, and Meta's Yann LeCun. Founded in 2022 by Aravind Srinivas, Johnny Ho, Denis Yarats, and Andy Konwinski, Perplexity offers an AI-native search engine and recently launched its Comet browser for premium users. With over 30 million users and growing revenue from ads, subscriptions, and e-commerce, the company is rapidly scaling across consumer AI. Vanta raised $150 million in a Series D round led by Wellington Management, with participation from Sequoia, Kraft Ventures, Y Combinator, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan, bringing its valuation to over $4 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Christina Cacioppo, Vanta offers an AI-powered compliance and security platform used by over 12,000 customers worldwide. Its solutions help businesses streamline audits, maintain trust, and meet global security standards efficiently. Farmers Business Network secured $50 million in new funding, valuing the company at $4 billion. Backed by Google Ventures and T. Rowe Price, the AgTech platform, led by CEO and co-founder Amal Deshpande, empowers farmers with data-driven insights, an e-commerce marketplace, crop marketing tools, and insurance solutions, helping them increase profitability and sustainability. Replit raised $250 million in a Series C round at a $3 billion valuation. Founded by Amjad Masad, Faris Masad, and Haya O'Day, the company enables anyone, technical or not, to build and deploy fully functional apps directly from their browser. With AI-powered tools, built-in databases, and one-click deployment, the platform makes app development accessible, collaborative, and instant, turning ideas into production-ready applications in minutes. Motive raised $150 million in funding from Kleiner Perkins, increasing its valuation to $2.89 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Shoaib Makani, Motive develops technology to connect and automate physical operations across industries like trucking, oil and gas, construction, and agriculture. MaintainX became a unicorn after raising $150 million, doubling its valuation to $2.5 billion. Led by CEO and co-founder Chris Terlica, the company offers an AI-powered platform for equipment maintenance and asset management. Backed by Bessemer Venture Partners, Bain Capital Ventures, Amity Ventures, and D.E. Shaw Ventures, MaintainX serves over 11,000 companies worldwide, managing 11 million assets while cutting downtime, reducing costs, and boosting productivity in industrial operations. Boba Network raised $70 million at a $1.5 billion valuation. Founded by Alan Hsu, Boba is an EVM-equivalent hybrid computing platform built on optimistic roll-up architecture, enabling developers to build feature-rich apps by linking smart contracts with off-chain computations and data. Its tools, like a multi-token on-ramp, fast exits, and an NFT bridge, make blockchain more accessible for developers and users. Gupshup raised $60 million in a new round, combining equity and debt financing from Globespan Capital Partners and Evolution's Debt Capital. Led by CEO and co-founder Bharat Sheth, Gupshup offers a conversational messaging platform that automates business interactions across multiple channels. Handling over 4 billion messages monthly and 150 billion to date, it also provides tools for developers to build, test, and manage bots and smart messaging solutions with ease. High Touch raised $10 million in a Series C round from Capital One Ventures. Founded by Josh Kurl, Kashish Gupta, and Tejas Manohar, the company enables businesses to sync customer data from warehouses into CRMs, email tools, and ad platforms without heavy engineering. Substack became a unicorn after raising $100 million in a Series C round led by Bond and the Chernin Group, with participation from Andreessen Horowitz, Rich Paul, and Jens Grede, pushing its valuation to $1.1 billion. Founded in 2017, Substack has evolved from a newsletter platform into a social network for writers and readers, offering tools for editing, payments, and audience growth. Reka AI became a unicorn after raising $110 million, tripling its valuation to over $1 billion. Founded by Danny Yogatama, Cyprien de Masson d'Autum, and others, Reka develops large language models that power generative AI applications. With a focus on efficient model development and rapid innovation, the company has emerged as a rare independent player in the AI landscape.